I just buy a plane? Yes, I did. So on Monday, the 5th of February, I packed my bags and set up to Melbourne to go pick up my plane.
On behalf of your captain and then First Officer Jonathan, Hannah, Nikki and myself, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us in Australia today. We do know you have a choice, so it is very much.
So I picked up the rental truck and loaded it up to get ready for my 20-hour, 2,000 kilometre drive with an overnight stop in Sydney.
Many unbearable hours later.
Here it is, mate. Now this is looking more like a garage I can work in. Managed to fit a whole aircraft on the shelf. So hopefully when it's finished being built, it will look like these two beauties. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and argue with each other in the comments section. Until next time, uru!